you going? My name's Zack Halpin. This is my scooter check. Bike check. This is a Ninja Turtles / Ben 10 edition model. Bought it from Toy World. Cost me $358. Yeah. I've got these bands because I sometimes need to ring Kids Helpline. Yeah, and I need to ring Apex Scooters and St George State High School because I go to school. Anyway, I got this Mad Gear plastic cores. Yeah, that I got both of them. And this one's red, as you can see. It's red, not strong. It's red. And I've got these Razor Pro forks, no reinforcement at all. They're bent to the S house because I don't swear. And I've got this new bolt. It's new and black, as you can see. I've got this headset, which is I think it's JD Bug. Spins for like 10 years if you throw it once. You like throw your bars and it'll spin for 10 years. I'll show you. It's good as. Right, I'll show you. Okay, that's 10 years later. Okay. Anyway, I've got this clamp. It is a Razor Pro. It's a single clamp. And it's compression. Single clamp compression. And I got these, what are these bars?
Jetty?
I don't know, but they're bars. And it's, you can move them down and lower them if you want to. You just got to find the secret button. And you got to say a secret password like Uga Magachi. But I'm not allowed to tell anyone because it's a secret. And then I've got these grips which are turtlenecks. And that's Zack Halpin's scooter check.